In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install the filter inside the cabin out of Jeep Wrangler. This one is a 2018, but it could work with the majority of Jeep Wranglers made modern. This is a Wrangler Sports Unlimited, and the only thing you have to do, it's right underneath this glove compartment. This cabin part here, as you can see, what you do to open it, you just basically squeeze in like that, and that will open up the glove compartment. And then the filter's right here, and this is what it looks like. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one of these off of Amazon for a Jeep Wrangler. Alright, let's see.
Fallen angel, sister to me, tell me why this destiny. 16 years old, you quit in school. Daddy says, girl, he leaves it up to you. In a dream,